Alright, welcome back to Philippi Log Homes. This is a log house we did down in southern Minnesota. It's actually my uncle's house. Me and my dad's brothers. We call them identical twins because they are identical twins. And we did all the log work in this house. We're gonna go check it out. It's a pretty unique home. A lot of character, a lot of uniqueness to it. And we're gonna go check it out. This is in southern Minnesota. Okay, so here's the entrance of the house. Come up the driveway over there. Here's a little bit of their shop. Their field, they have some black dirt. But the beauty's on the inside. So this is a log house, or is it not a log house? I'll leave it for you guys to decide. Comment, do you think it's a log house, what you call it? Or is it just an A-frame? But let's go inside. There's Cricket, the buffalo. This is the entrance. You walk in, cool little old fire stove they redid. Railroad ties for hooks. All rock work along the bottom. All of this log siding we cut up in World, Minnesota at our job site off our bandsaw mill. What I like about what they did here, they put a little light inside, so it looks like there's a fire going at all time. You walk in, elevators here. Oh, gotta call it. Bathroom here. And we did all the log work. My dad and uncles put all this log work up themselves, and then my uncles did all the caulking on it. So it's a pretty unique bathroom. Your toilet paper holder. Go in here, this is the laundry. The elevator opened up. There it is. The elevator they put in when they get older. Going to the main living room here. So, conventional on the outside, all log house on the inside. So is it a log house or is it a stick frame? So why they did this is, and I'll go aside here. They went with hardy board on the outside. That way they could have a log house on the inside, no maintenance on the outside. Which is pretty smart if you like log homes but don't want the $20,000 restoration bill every 10 to 15 years. It's the way to go. So all this log siding was cut by us and my dad and his two brothers. Put it all up. The kitchen, tabletop, granite, all came from Italy. Nice, beautiful. The light fixture is pretty neat. We put a groove up in that log up here. Ran the wire up there so you can't see it. All reclaimed barnwood for ceiling. Every bedroom has a fireplace too as well. We'll go into that. Here's the first bedroom. There's his fireplace. What I love about the bedrooms is the ceiling. They did all bark. And this came from North Carolina. But look at the detail in this place. And they did all this themselves. Going into his bathroom. Check out this shower. Towel hook. I think every woman's dream tub. And more barnwood up in here. So we'll go upstairs. The view from the top. And again, it's hard to believe that that's all log siding. A chandelier. Some more character and log work my dad did. I tell you what, all this, nothing beats a good 30-year-old broken in chairs. Those babies are nice and soft. Right back here, we'll check this out. This is the back side of the elevator for the second floor. My favorite feature up here is this. I took this out of an old railroad car. They didn't do anything to it. This is the original state. They didn't try to restore it or anything. They just wanted it the way it was. They also put a light in there so at night it looks like there's a fire glowing. And come around to the front side of the elevator. Put a little decoration up there. So a lot of thought was put in by these two. Then there's a full kitchen upstairs too. They're just waiting on the stove. So we'll check out the second bedroom. And these doors are made by the Amish down here in northern Minnesota, or southern Minnesota. But yeah, just a beautiful, and they're heavy, heavy doors. So we come into his, again, bark up on the roof. And he went with a different look. He liked the post and beam look for his bedroom. But what is unique about this is behind all this wood is sheetrock. So that way if they ever sold it one day and they didn't like the woodwork, all you have to do is pull off the wood and a sheetrock behind it and you can paint it and be ready to go. Let me check up his views. We're going to be hitting up that pond later. It's about a 2-acre pond over there. Got a little pontoon boat stocked full of walleye, so we're going to go fishing. A little fish fry tonight. His fireplace. Check out his bathroom. No, a sheetrock in the bathroom, still reclaimed barnwood. Shower, walk-in showers. The rock work. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful, well-built house, well thought out. These floors have been old, reclaimed. So that's it, and then the basement's just spare bedrooms, not down, everything's sheetrock, just garage. Nothing too exciting down there. So this is it. Is it a log house or just log accents? to me who builds log homes, it's just log accents. But if you're looking for a log house and don't want none of the maintenance, log siding is the way to go, and we cut a lot of log siding. So like and subscribe, there'll be more videos to come. I'm getting ready to put up my Airbnb cabin here. It's fully built on our job site. Now I just got to tear it down, set it back up on my floor, and start doing the roof and start working on that. So come back for more video. You guys enjoy your day.